guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hi.
You guys know Justine. We've filmed like a million videos together. But if you are new to the channel, I'm gonna be putting her links down below. So go check her out, show her some love, subscribe, all of those things. She's amazing.
Thank you. You're amazing.
Oh my God, you're amazing.
God.
So a little bit ago, we filmed a trying or testing kitchen gadgets video.
Oh my God, smoking! Oh jeez, holy moly!
By your guys' request, you wanted to see another one. So I went online and Justine, I ordered all of these new kitchen gadgets that I have never used before. So today we are making a part 2 because you guys wanted to see these. So we're gonna do this.
This is something that I'm so excited because I am just taking a look around and I see a s'more maker, a hot dog toaster.
The first video, if you guys didn't see it, I'll put a link down below to that as well, the Trying Kitchen Gadgets Part 1. But she loves grilled cheese sandwiches, so I got her a grilled cheese like toaster. And now, by the same company, I went back and looked, they have a hot dog one. Okay, is this the first gadget that we wanna test out and try?
I feel like we should probably just follow suit with the first video.
Okay, deal. Okay, let's open this up. It's a retro pop-up hot dog toaster.
What's exciting about this is it fits thicker hot dogs that plump. Let's get this started. The same thing as before.
Same thing, we got this.
It says that the unit is gonna smoke a little, so that's normal.
Yeah, for first time use.
Did they have the triangles at the bottom?
And we have to remove the sticker, we know that.
Yep.
It does have the tray.
Cool.
So, okay, we got that.
Oh, the little dog basket! There's gotta be something else.
That
We're missing
will
something.
be really hot.
Did we lose the...
Yes! You were right. There was, how are you gonna get that out of there? Still don't know. I'm gonna plug it in.
These are called pincers. Oh, this is not English.
What is it called?
Tongs.
Tongs or pincers.
Pincers! Okay, maybe I won't read that. Okay, I think what we need to do, is just jam them in there.
Okay. Oh my gosh!
You gotta push the stop button, and I just jammed this. Oh, it's hot! Careful,
It's
don't
really
touch.
hot.
No touch, okay.
I'll get it.
Yep.
There you go. 2.
Okay, so our dogs are in.
I'm very concerned because
So we did that.
oh, I see a little burning smoke, but remember, that's okay for the first cook. They said that that's normal, that's natural. Warning, there it is. Look.
Yeah, here's the thing, is I actually think that this is smoking for a burning reason.
Why don't they do a nice little ding and then a pop? Oh, don't burn your, be careful. Okay, put,
So that definitely was burning a slight bit.
all right, and then let me give you the tongs or the pinchies.
The pinchies. Oh, that's oh.
There's nothing worse than a lukewarm hot dog and then the middle's cold, right? So
Nothing worse. Absolutely
we
nothing worse.
actually have to take a bite to see if it's cooked in the middle.
We do.
Mine's warm.
Mine's warm too. It's actually like a perfect temperature.
Oh, that's great.
Wowee.
We cooked this at the maximum temperature. We cranked it all the way up, and I am concerned that if you reduce the heat, yeah, the buns wouldn't burn, but the hot dog wouldn't be hot enough.
Yeah, because this is just warm enough.
Yeah, but I have a kitchen gadget that goes perfect with this, so let's keep these hot dogs
Okay.
out. Actually, I just thought, it's perfect.
A condiment gun?
It's a condiment gun.
Oh my goodness.
You can load it with ketchup and mustard, and then you shoot it on your hot dog.
That's
Or
so
burger.
great.
Ooh, very satisfying.
Wow.
Whoa. What? There's no instructions.
Okay. Oh,
Clean the cartridges in between use.
there's a button.
Okay.
I love ketchup.
And I like mustard.
I'm so glad this is organic.
Oh yeah, I got organic
I was
ketchup.
concerned that I was gonna go to Rose's house today and she was not gonna have organic ketchup.
I love that.
Oh gosh! What have I done?
Oh no!
That's gonna be a super juicy squirt. So I'm gonna jam this ketchup in here.
Can I just say it? Locked and loaded. I really want to say that. I don't know why.
We are not locked
It's
or
not
loaded
locked
yet.
or loaded yet, but when it is.
Wow, okay, so it's ready. Do I?
Shoot it. Shoot that dog.
Wow, that's aggressive.
Whoa, that's like powerful.
It's far.
Oh,
let me
wow.
be a little more precise with my, oh wow, look at that.
I love that it works. Like the pump works. Justine, I'm gonna do one.
Should
Let's load my
should
mustard.
we load yours up? Yeah, let's do that.
Brody, got any mustard? And I'm just like,
Careful.
oh, sorry. It's okay. Now I can say it. Ready? Locked and loaded. 1, 2, 3. Let's shoot that dog. Wait, let me get my little, see if this even works. Now let's try it now. What? Did it come out even?
Maybe the mustard is not as
Wait a
explosive
Are
as.
you kidding? Here, wait, let me give it a good one.
Here, give it a just see.
Just, okay.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
I just gotta push really hard. It is not like
Do you need
shooting.
to move it? Do you want like?
Yeah, we need some. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you know it's.
You really do have to point it down. You gotta like.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Well,
Oh, so
What'd I just do?
Don't move.
oops. So the condiment gun technically works, but I'm not sure that I would use it as a kitchen gadget in my everyday life because it's just kind of more steps, and I would have to clean all of this.
Yeah, it's cool. It's funny.
Yeah. It's a funny kitchen gadget.
Yeah.
Let us know what you think about the condiment gun. Our next kitchen gadget. So this is from Progressive Prep Solutions. It's a microwave s'more maker. Justine,
Okay.
what do we have here?
I was thinking this was some super futuristic thing, like powered by USB. These little paddles would like
heated. I thought this was gonna be heated.
add water. Why are you putting water in here?
How much water do we put in here?
I don't understand. 207 milliliters of cold water. Make sure lid snaps closed. Dry off.
207. Fill to this line. Here, you wanna break these apart?
Yeah.
Here we go.
This way, 'cause is it both the same?
And then we need our marshmallows.
Okay.
You put this. Oh, and then you put the top half. And now you put this whole thing in the microwave?
I am super skeptical, but I say we put it in the microwave and see what happens.
Okay, let's give it a go.
Okay, cook it up.
Cook it up, cook it up. 30 seconds on the clock. What's going on? Can you see? Justine, can you tell me what's happening?
Nothing's happening.
What's happening?
Well, so it's kind of making a little bit of sense because, oh no, the one is starting to fall off. Oh gosh, we're losing the graham cracker. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it sort of makes sense. All right.
Yeah, just take it out as is. Let's explore this.
I mean, it did it.
Let's bring it back over.
Okay, yeah, let's talk about
check
it.
things out.
So wow, it definitely worked, and in the microwave, like you could tell, like these were bubbling up so much. So it definitely makes sense as to why this is pressing down on it, so it just keeps it on top.
Okay, check this out.
It looks pretty good. I don't think it's necessary, but it did make sense watching it.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Like
because
it's the
I just
crazy
wanna
thing is
see.
somebody said this is a problem that we're having, and this is the solution that they came up with.
S'mores are always great.
It's just so they're hard to eat.
But I have to be honest, I like squishing them.
Well, then
They're really messy.
then you don't buy this.
See, I gotta be honest.
Oh,
Chocolates may be almost too melted. But I have to say, this did work, but I don't know if I would get it for everyday use because I like to squish the marshmallow. It's one of the satisfactions that I have when I make s'mores.
judging by the delicious taste of the s'more.
You think this is a pass?
Yeah.
It's a pass. All right, let us know in the comments below if you think this s'more kitchen gadget is a pass or fail. The next kitchen gadget is not necessarily just a kitchen gadget, it's more of a beverage gadget, but I saw so many videos of people using these on the internet and I wanted to test them. So these are life straws and they're supposed to have like filtering technology in them. The videos that I saw on YouTube, Justine, I am not gonna do this to you because I love you.
What did people do?
They were using these and drinking out of the toilet. Like they were drinking toilet water to show how it filtered.
But they don't know if it's filtered.
But I'm not gonna make you do that.
Okay.
So, I don't know if this has ever been done before. I actually couldn't find this, but I have different sodas. So I thought we would just like fill these with soda just to see what it filtered out.
Oh, this is great. I can wear it around my neck. Review use and care manual before use. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, upon first use or anytime the filter is dry, uncap both ends, stand it up in safe water. Leaving mouthpiece out of Prime water. The filter. 5 quick sips to get the water flowing.
Come on.
Well, it's still brown, which I think is something that we probably expected. So if you are drinking brown, dirty water, don't think it's gonna turn clear. Yep.
Still orange.
It still tasted like soda. So
Still tastes like soda.
I think if you're drinking like dirty water, like it's probably gonna taste like that. So everybody that's been testing this out with toilet water, like I hate to break it to you, like you're still drinking toilet water.
Yeah, it's just filtered. And what would be the test? Like if they got sick afterwards?
I don't know.
I don't know how you test it. Or if you like spit it out and then like science lab test it.
Yeah, you would have to.
But we tried it with soda and it's still the same color, it still tastes like soda.
But at least there's no bacteria.
Yep, it's clean.
But we also don't have a lab, so we don't know.
Yeah. We don't. These are great, just not for filtering soda into water. So pass, fail, I'm gonna give it a pass.
I'm definitely giving it a pass.
I like one of these. I'm gonna put one in my go bag, which I have because we've been having all those fires in California.
And like earthquakes
so I
and stuff,
actually
so
like
you never know.
packed one, so just in case. Okay, so we have a couple more kitchen gadgets to try, to test, and this came in a total set of fruit gadgets. We don't have to do all of them, but let's do a bunch. If you watch my kitchen favorites video, this is still one of my all-time favorites. You take an apple, if you eat apples every day like I do, you just line it up in the middle, and ready for this? Are you kidding me? And then to really separate them for the stragglers, you put this underneath piece and they pop out. So the one on the box, it looks like it's just the first part, but it doesn't have this underlip. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll try to find a link, but it's by Progressive. I found these online and this is my favorite one. So let's try these other fruit gadgets because I've had girlfriends tell me that half the fruit gadgets don't work or they make it harder.
The pineapple one I've definitely used before. It's great.
Does it make your life easier?
It does.
What the heck is that?
This is for a banana. Okay, this is where I shine.
Is this your pineapple machine?
Yes.
You're into this gadget.
I am. I call it a pineapple pump. Kiwi, strawberry.
No.
For strawberries?
No. Do you want a big one or a little one?
Big one. So you just kind of like, you just jam it in there.
Just claw into
and
the strawberry and then
it right out.
This is great. Let me try one of these.
Get it in there.
Do you do it open or closed?
Yeah, you open it and then you just kind of jam it in.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
this looks like a sci-fi scary movie.
It does.
Like, ring, and then you go like, ring, and then you, oh, you have to,
Yeah, you gotta close
oh,
it.
you, oh, I didn't do too good at that.
Let's try
I'll give this a maybe.
the banana thing because I'm still kind of into this. Like I
Let's try
love
this banana.
bananas.
Right
Oh
here.
my goodness. You can also cut sausages.
So let's see.
This is gonna be,
I'm gonna time this because we're gonna do 2 different ways.
well, I now have
Where
banana.
did that go?
It went in my lap.
All right, let's make some
I think
banana.
so, wait. No, maybe it was the other way. Yeah, that was the right way.
Okay, you get more slices.
Okay, I was making fun of this thing, but honestly, I absolutely love it.
But this is how you do it manual. Let's see if we're any faster. Ready?
Ow! I pinched myself!
I mean, done.
Yeah, but look at this.
They're even.
Yeah, but like
They're-
how much fun am I having?
Question. Your level of fun, does it match you wanting to clean that object
I will throw
versus
this
a little knife?
in the dishwasher.
Really? All right, let's
okay.
try
Oh
it.
my
Let's
gosh,
try
oh my
this
gosh, I'm
turkey
so
dog.
excited. Okay.
Can you cut up your little hot dogs, put them in macaroni?
Oh.
Let's see.
Ow!
Let's do 4 hands.
Wait,
Let's
I
do
know
the
what, I'm
power of
scared,
4
I'm scared.
hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Careful, I don't think it's working!
How do we do?
We did terrible.
We didn't even dent it.
No!
We didn't even dent that dog.
This is a lie!
You can't cut a sausage with that.
What we need to do is bring that pineapple over here. I need to show you something, girl. I gotta show you
Show me all
what
the
just
things.
happened.
Nothing?
Are you ready for this?
I am so ready. It's the sad part, but you gotta do it. You gotta cut off the crown.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, so it worked. I definitely cut off a little more than I wanted to.
That's okay, that's okay. So wait, what'd you do? You just press it down in there.
Yeah. Whoops. Okay, that's.
uh-oh.
So I may have broken it already, but that's okay.
Do they have an electric one of these?
Probably.
Okay, what do you do when you hit the bottom? You just pull it?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this actually working?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, wow, look at that.
I No. So this is what I do. Look at this.
It looks like this part was a little too right.
a little bit.
Okay, I really like this one. This is
Cool.
a keeper. Oh, the kiwi one. I really
yeah.
wanted to try the kiwi one because I love kiwis and I've never seen a gadget for kiwis and I want to know, does it save time? Okay, let's see what we got here. Push down and then twist. I pushed down too far and I broke it.
It's okay, you've got another half.
Oh, that didn't go well. Okay,
Yes,
being more
that's good.
gentle and then do a gentle twist. Oh, I broke it again.
Try one more.
One more? Okay. Now it broke again.
So I feel like that you have to have like the perfect size kiwi. Not like one size fits all.
It is getting some fruit out, and kiwis are really tricky, but it's also missing it.
Yeah.
So I just like to scoop them out and eat them. Okay, well, we tried.
Solid effort.
All right, let's try the avocado. Okay, so you cut it the long way, like I would do if I had a small knife, and then you're supposed to scoop it. So it's like press all the way down.
You're supposed to get that nice little slice.
Ooh.
I'm not quite sure if this is what we're going for. I'm gonna try to like dig this.
Is it Oh.
I don't like this. I think it's like not sharp enough maybe. Or maybe I'm incompetent.
All right, just eat it. Let's clean this up. And then I'm gonna show you the last kitchen gadget, and it actually has to do with cleaning.
Oh.
So it's perfect that we saved it for last.
Perfect.
Last kitchen gadget. This is for kitchen cleanup. It's a kitchen cleanup gadget.
Okay.
It's magnetic, and it's made for things that are like odd shaped. I got a weird shaped vase, and you just need to put water and soap in it for it to work, it says.
I just feel like, what if you drop the thing in there? And then how are you supposed to like regain?
You just basically have to shake it, like trying to get a candy out.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay, it feels pretty powerful.
So you drop this in there.
But will we just like follow
Oh,
it down?
you could do
maybe?
that.
Because
Yeah.
my concern is, what if it does fall down?
Let's see it. See if you can. I should have had a dirty vase, but.
But no, look, you can see it.
Ready? Woo! It works.
Take it up here, get the bubbles.
Okay, look. Okay, this is a really strong magnet.
Yeah, but this is what I'm thinking. Like, I'm
what's
like,
your-
oh, dude, I'm cleaning. Oh, the phone. I gotta answer the phone. Oops! I lost my little nugget.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Oh, okay, well, I guess that. But then, there we go. Okay, problem solved. Oops, there's a fire.
I am impressed.
It followed me out.
Did you just jump out of you?
It did.
Oh my god, I totally missed that. I just like jumped in your lap. The magnet feels really strong, so it actually feels like it is cleaning it. And then it has these little like, what are these called? Little textured grippies to like get it.
Whoa!
Did you see that?
I did see
Look
that.
at this.
I'm impressed. I think it's cool.
Yeah, let me know if you think that this is a pass or a fail kitchen gadget, because I'm kind of into this.
I am getting this for every one of my friends. It feels
Oh,
weird. It feels
my
weird. Oh
God.
gosh. Oh, I'm a mutant. Do you want to feel it?
Oh wait, let me see.
Here.
It's moving. Look at this.
Is this good for us?
I don't know. It looks like it's flying like a saucer.
Oh
Wee,
my gosh.
take off. Wee, take off. Okay, I'm so sorry.
This is
sorry for the
wild.
tangent. All right, that does it for trying, testing kitchen gadgets part 2. Let us know in the comments below, what is your favorite kitchen gadget that you saw today, and what was your least favorite? And I'm also gonna ask you, Justine, what was your favorite kitchen gadget today?
Pineapple pump by far. I also did, I mean, I kind of enjoyed the hot dog toaster. I mean, I'm not a huge hot dog person. Like, I'm not like, wow, oh my gosh, I need a hot dog today. But
if
this
you
whole
were,
concept is really cool.
I like the apple cutter. I love apples, so this is my favorite. And also, this little cleaning gadget.
That was a surprise.
Oh! This has a surprisingly strong magnet, and it could clean things that you have a hard time cleaning, so I like. Anyways, a big thank you to you guys for suggesting we do another one of these videos. We had so much fun, and a big thank you to Justine. Thank you for coming over and literally just hanging out with me all day until the sun is actually starting to set outside right now. All right, that does it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you'd like to watch any more videos, you can click up here
or over there.
Yeah, or there.
Or here.
Or there. Or there. Or there. Or there. Or there. That's all the course I have.
That's it.
This
is all you need in
hook.
your life. This.
It's my new hit song.
It's good.
Over there, magnets.